Hello and welcome to my channel. Ramadan Kareem to all of you. In this video, I have shared some helpful tips to students about how to spend Ramadan to get maximum benefits. First of all, I will advise you to go for planning. Structure a realistic plan around your routine so that you can stay organized. So make schedule of your study hours, prayer timings, and sleeping hours for almost 5 to 6 hours minimum. Plan out what you are going to study before you sit down and get started so you are completely ready to go when you open your books. Knowing exactly what you intend to do is a great way of making sure you do it. So be specific. Planning ahead will make your work very smooth and very organized. Eat high energy foods in suhoor so that it keeps you active throughout the day. Drink enough water to stay hydrated all day long, as you have to spend 14 to 15 hours of fasting. Try your best to avoid stress so that you can stay active and fresh all the day. Try to avoid junk and fatty foods as much as possible in suhoor and futur. Junk food impairs digestion process and it can cause fatigue and stress. Moreover, junk food has poor nutritional values, so it doesn't help you at all. Don't neglect your ibadah, as it is the best opportunity to get benefits from this holy month of blessing. As you know, Ramadan is the month of blessings and forgiveness. Try that you must read Quran after Fajr. You can start with minimum 1 page to maximum complete juz. It's up to you, it's at your ease, but make sure to make your habit. Make a habit of giving charity every day, because you know the blessings of good deeds are multiplied in Ramadan. So make it your habit. And you know, every act of kindness is a sadaqah or charity. I hope you have liked my short video and found it very helpful. Keep watching and please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Ramadan Kareem to all of you. Goodbye and good luck.